Hello, today we are solving Jan 2023 IAL Unit 2. Okay, so the question number 6. You work in the accounts department of Morpho Bay Holiday Apartments PLC. The following summarized information from the state of financial position is available. The summarized statement of financial position of Morpho Bay Holiday Apartments PLC at 31st December 2022 is given below. Okay, they have given here, and some additional information is also given. They have given some dividends, the market price of the ordinary share is given, what is the tax paid. Okay, all those things are given. The first question, part A, is calculate the following ratio for Morpho Bay Holiday Apartment PLCs. Okay, the first one is the return on capital employed. So the return on capital employed, what is the formula? So that is going to be equal to ROC, return on capital employed, is going to be equal to net profit, okay, before interest and tax divided by capital employed. Okay, this entire ratio, then you will multiply it with 100. So this is the return on capital employed. Now let's calculate what is the net profit before the interest and tax. So the net profit before the interest was paid and tax was paid, is around 8 million. So you will just write here 8 million. And then capital employed, let's calculate the second part, that is capital employed. So capital employed is going to be equal to, okay, equity plus non-current liability. Okay, equity and non-current liability. So that is going to be equal to, so the equity, we can see that equity is around 90 million. So let's write here, so that is equal to 90 million, okay, pounds, plus the non-current liabilities. Here they have given the total, it is 70 million. So okay, that much pounds. So you add both of that, so that is going to be equal to 160 million. Okay, now we can calculate ROCE. So the ROCE is going to be equal to, okay, 8 million over 160 million. 160 million, okay, times 100. So that is going to be equal to 5%. Okay, this is ROCE. The next one